In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Samsung TV screen flickering. Now there's multiple reasons why this could be happening, but typically this error is resolvable. So the first thing you always want to do is you want to go ahead and restart your TV. You could do this by unplugging your TV from your power outlet or extension cord for at least 30 seconds. This will perform a soft restart on your TV and can help out significantly resolve any minor software glitches. So that should always be the first thing you try. The next thing you want to do is you want to ensure that all the cable connections are secure and ready to go. So please check that your HDMI, USB, antennas, all that good stuff are securely connected to your TV. If even one of those is loosely connected, that is going to cause a chain reaction and cause your TV to no longer work. And that leads me on to my next point. So if you're using an antenna in order to get TV signal, then what you always want to try to do is you want to find the most optimal position for your antenna for better signal. Because if you're using an over-the-air antenna, a weak broadcast signal can cause flickering on the screen. So what I recommend that you guys do is I recommend that you guys try to move around your antenna. Me personally, I do use an antenna for connection, and I like to put my antennas all the way at the window. So here's my antenna right over here. You'll notice that it is towards the window, and that is by design, and that's so basically you're able to get the signal a little bit easier, because if it's inside your house or maybe it's underneath your bed or something, that is not going to work. It needs to be exposed to a window. That is the most ideal place to go ahead and put a TV antenna, and because a weak signal can cause flickering on your TV, so it's really important that your antenna is in the most optimal position. Okay, now here are some things that you could do within your TV settings themselves. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and just press on the home button just like so, and you want to go ahead and scroll down to settings. So your settings will typically be all the way to the left just like so. Then where it does say settings, you just want to go ahead and click on it just like so. Then you're going to get a menu that looks like this. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to picture, then you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see expert settings. Then you just want to go ahead and scroll down until you see this option that says adjust motion plus settings right over here. And at the moment it is on auto, but you can go ahead and actually press it to manual and then adjust this right over here and try to see if that does work, because sometimes if you do reduce it, then it will actually help you out significantly. And another really great setting to do is actually to go back to the menu over here, and this time you just want to go ahead and select on general. Then you want to go ahead and press on eco solution. Then once you're over here, you basically want to go ahead and turn on and off these different settings, because sometimes these settings could be causing issues on your TV. So yeah, you want to go ahead and try to turn on motion lighting as well. This will reduce power consumption with motion sensitive brightness control. So that is definitely something that I recommend that you guys try. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.